You just saw the headlines. This week, Meta laid off 600 employees, not from HR, not from marketing, but from its core AI division. But that is not the real story. The headlines missed the most important part. Meta cut 600 roles from its legacy AI teams, like FAIR, to double down on a new, elite team of high-profile researchers they just spent millions hiring. Today, we are talking about the brand new roles on the winning side of this shift, the ones that didn't exist a few years ago, and the ones that come with fat paychecks. That realignment is happening because the money is pouring in. Morgan Stanley says full AI adoption could add $16 trillion to the S&P 500's market cap. Goldman Sachs predicts it could boost global GDP by 7% every year. This isn't a small trend, it's an economic earthquake. Yes, repetitive jobs are being automated, and as we just saw with Meta, even old tech jobs are being replaced. But that's just half the story. This is what economists call creative destruction. Every revolution destroys old work and creates new wealth. The real winners? The ones who learn to wield AI, not fear it. We're in the gold rush phase, and the early adopters will cash in the biggest. Let's start with where the serious money is being made, the people building the AI revolution itself. Machine learning and AI engineers. Machine learning engineers design the models behind Netflix recommendations, Tesla's autopilot, and Amazon's algorithms. Average salary, $109,000 to $164,000. And at Google or Meta, total compensation can soar past $250,000 per year. AI research scientists, the rock stars of the field. They invent new algorithms and redefine what's possible. Base salaries start at $120,000, exceeding $300,000 with bonuses. Computer vision engineers help machines see. NLP engineers make AI understand language. Deep learning engineers refine AI's brain, all earning six figures. AI trainers and annotators. They prepare and label data, test AI, and provide feedback. Their work ensures AI systems are accurate, unbiased, and reliable. Salary ranges from $80,000 to $150,000, with advanced roles reaching $200,000 plus. Companies hiring include xAI, Scale AI, Minddrift AI, and Toloka. Not an engineer? Don't worry. The new guard of AI jobs is here. Strategists, communicators, and innovators turning AI into real-world impact. Prompt engineers write perfect prompts to guide AI. Programming in plain English. Salaries, $130,000. Freelancers up to $200 per hour. AI ethicists keep AI fair, transparent, and compliant, preventing lawsuits and brand disasters. Salaries reach over $200,000 in finance and consulting. ML Ops engineers, the AI plumbers. ML Ops engineers ensure AI research works in production, the unsung heroes behind every working model. Salaries reach over $300,000. AI product managers define what gets built and why, bridging business, users, and data. At Netflix, OpenAI, or Anthropic, salaries can reach $900,000 per year. The message? The AI economy isn't just about coders, it's about smart thinkers guiding machines. You don't have to start from scratch. Become an AI hybrid professional. Combine your current field with AI. Non-tech roles using AI earn $18,000 more per year on average. 51% of AI-related jobs are non-tech, paying 28% higher salaries. Finance, healthcare, marketing, AI isn't replacing you, it's amplifying you. Ready to launch your career in AI? Here's the flight plan. Step 1. Build your foundation. Master analytical thinking, creativity, and problem solving. Grab a short AI course from industry leaders like Google, Microsoft, IBM, or deeplearning.ai. Step 2. Prove your potential. Build a portfolio of AI projects on GitHub and blog your progress. It's your skills, not just a title, that will get you noticed. Step 3. Target smartly. Look for hybrid roles in fields you know, like finance, marketing, or healthcare, where AI adds a valuable new layer. Use AI tools to sharpen your job search and rise above the noise. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. Build your skills, adapt your career, ride the wave while it's still early. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for AI insights, and tell us in the comments, which AI job are you aiming for?